Next, I have Mr. Rahul Patil. Rahul Patil.
So good evening, all. First of all, my humble thanks to the Policy Times and to the Indian Chamber of Culture and Commerce in Slovak for giving us this opportunity to present our journey. Our experience about being a startup. My name is Rahul, and I'm the CEO of a company called as MyLab Discovery, which is a biotechnology and healthcare company headquartered at Pune. And I'm proud to share that MyLab has been at the forefront of India's fight against COVID-19 pandemic. We have had some very valuable information from Amruta and Soumya from legal, compliance, fundraising, and finance perspective. Parag ji spoke about building an ecosystem for startups and small-scale industries, networking, and global outreach. Today, I'm going to share our journey from the perspective of vision and belief. At MyLab, we believe that every startup, has to thoroughly understand the problem they are trying to solve, have an absolute clarity, about how they are going to solve it. And then once they have this clarity, then you have that belief and you give everything that you have towards, achieving that goal. So please allow me to share my presentation.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Dr. Shekhar. So this is what our endeavor has been, shaping a healthier India. So with this objective, we started MyLab in 2014, with a vision of bringing high-end diagnostics at affordable pricing to masses. We wanted to develop.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, we wanted to develop diagnostic solutions, which are meant in India, which are built in India and for India. So idea for, So idea for developing such high-end diagnostics came to MyLab leadership through the 2009 swine flu pandemic. During that time, we observed that only a couple of international manufacturers were making the testing or the diagnostic kits for H1N1. Based on this learning, we started our research and development center in Pune in October 2014. And we started working on developing kits for countries' most pressing healthcare needs, like diseases like cancer, thalassemia, anemia, and pathogens like hepatitis, HIV, TB, dengue, and so on. So, we are a biotech firm which is focused on developing and commercializing molecular serology and immunology testing kits. See, this was a path which was unlocked before. Back in 2014, nobody had developed and commercialized RT-PCR testing kits in India, and which meant that entire operation at MyLab was absolutely bootstrapped. There was no external funding at that moment. And all this while, our R&D team ensured that whatever kits we are developing, it should surpass any international quality standard across the globe. So when we started in 2014, we started developing a very peculiar test called as NAT, which is essentially done by blood banks, for screening of hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and HIV before the blood is given to the needy patients. And in April 2019, we received the Indian FDA approval for this test, and we became the first company across Asia and only the third company across the world to have developed and received regulatory approval for this test. So, social impact is the core of our strategy. Through COVID pandemic, we have touched more than 50 million lives, and there are more than 20 countries across the world who are using our testing kits and automation platforms. Next slide, please. Yeah. So, through this endeavor and through the futuristic vision, we have been able to secure a lot of first as such accomplishments. So we were the first Indian manufacturer to have developed and received regulatory approval for COVID-19 RT-PCR test. We were the first Indian manufacturer to receive a regulatory approval for the COVID-19 rapid antigen test as well. And earlier this year in April, we also became the first Indian manufacturer to develop the self-testing kit in India. Next slide, please. Yeah. So at MyLab, we just don't focus on developing a testing kit or a diagnostic solution. We believe in complete delivery. So we make testing kits, we make the automation platforms or very unique machines. We also have mobile testing vans. And then at the end, we have systems for reporting and analytics from public health perspective. So it's a complete ecosystem that we try to offer from our side. Next slide. So this is, the range of products or kit which we have been able to develop over the years. So this essentially includes RT-PCR based testing kits for a variety of diseases, rapid antigen test, and self-test. So, through these natively developed tests, we ensured that, India becomes truly Atmanirbhar in its fight against COVID-19 pandemic. Next slide. Yeah. So this is something which is very interesting. Through COVID, we learned that, RT-PCR is the gold standard method for detection of deadly viruses and pathogens. Now, to set up RT-PCR lab, one typically requires 1,500 square feet space and, a set of 25 different equipments. So learning this, we started working on a machine in 2016, which will resolve this entire bottleneck, and the work of 25 machines will be done by a single machine in itself. Last year, we are proud to share that last year we have launched world's first completely automated molecular testing platform. So, which will do the entire RT-PCR process on a single machine. And the one that you see on the right, which is a smaller machine, it's called as Compact Mini. It's a point of care system, which means it can be deployed at faraway places like a primary healthcare center in any village. And essentially, it will do RT-PCR based testing for variety of diseases that we have in prevalence. So a single device will do multiple tests. You just have to load the sample and get the printed report out. So we are taking out the infrastructure requirement, the manpower requirement, and the expertise requirement completely out of the picture. Next slide, please. Again, as I said in molecular, we also have in immunodiagnostics, we are developing point of care systems which will solve detection of diseases like COVID-19, malaria, sickle cell, anemia, thalassemia, and several others. So these are the diseases which are prevalent in rural and tribal areas where they have, absolute lack of access to high-end diagnostics. Next slide. Recently, this is a recent acquisition at MyLab. We have acquired a company called as Swayam, which is basically a health kiosk. It's you can call it health ATM. It can be installed anywhere, and a person can just walk in and have done all the basic tests within 15 minutes of time. So you can check yourself for all the routine blood tests, the liver function test, the kidney function test, and so many others. So this simple kiosk will be able to do 100 different tests without the need of any technical expertise. And as I said, it's a point of care system which can be installed anywhere, places of public gathering like airports, metro stations, primary healthcare centers, government medical colleges and hospitals, everywhere. And it will be in synchronization with the digital health mission, which Honorable PM, mentioned in his previous talk just a week ago. Yeah. So the government will have all the real-time data at their disposal. To support the country's RT-PCR testing infrastructure, to support the country's RT-PCR infrastructure during the deadly second wave, we rolled out a fleet of mobile testing vans, which are designed and developed in collaboration with ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research. These vans are deployed at airports, including like Mumbai and Delhi airport, where we have completed screening of lakhs of international travelers, as well as faraway places in states like UP and Bihar. So wherever you don't have stationary or static labs, these vans can be deployed anywhere and they can do testing of various pathogens. At present, they have been, of course, used for testing of COVID-19, but the setup is equipped, to test for any disease based on RT-PCR method. So these are very unique solutions, which thinking of country's requirement at a prevalent situation we have developed. Next slide, please. So these are some of the technology partnerships, national as well as international ones, which we have been able to accomplish over a period of time. Next slide. And as I said, we want to take the Made in India brand to each and every country of the world. So all the while, the focus is absolutely on quality. So these are some of the national and international evaluations where MyLab test kits were tested or evaluated against the gold standard across the world. So they were compared with, test kits from the multinational giants, 450 and 400 companies. And the MyLab kit was proved to be as good as any top player across the world. So this will be a message that, at any startup, we should focus on quality and, to aim at solving a problem, which is very, very unique. So through COVID, now we have got a platform and a prominence with which, we want to address the country's next healthcare challenges. Next slide. Yeah, so tuberculosis is an, it's a very, very prominent healthcare challenge in front of the public health agencies in India. So we will be developing multiple solutions. So on the left of the slide, you see there are gaps to bridge. which are prevalent in Indian healthcare ecosystem. And on the right, then we have proposed a solution which is ready with us. So over next 3 or 4 slides, I'll just take you through challenges which are there in the system and which we can take care of. So this is the one that I spoke about, the test NAT. So whenever blood is given to the needy patient, see, actually blood banks will get blood from the healthy donors, or they will do donation camps. Through this blood is given to the needy patient, 3 viruses are spread, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and HIV. We all have seen a very famous campaign from Bollywood megastar Amitabh Bachchan. So while he was being treated, after he was injured for shooting the movie Coolie, he was given blood from 200 different individuals, one of whom was infected with hepatitis B virus. Naturally, Mr. Bachchan acquired that infection and 70% of his liver got damaged. Till today, he survives only with 30% of his liver capacity. Now, this is about, a very, very elite personality. Imagine what will be happening about the routine Indian population. Central government has published data that, every year, thousands of Indians get infected with HIV and hepatitis through this route of, blood transfer. So my lab has developed a test, as I said earlier, NAT, nucleic acid test, which can prevent, transfer of these viruses when blood is given from one patient to another. Next slide, please. So same way, if the government authorities intend to prevent the third wave of the much dreaded third wave of COVID-19, we have all the solutions ready. So it's the futuristic thinking. While we were working to develop the tools at the initial stage of pandemic, we were in a thought process that what all we can do for the country to ensure that we don't have much larger waves coming in. Next slide. Yeah. So, till now we were focusing on making lab-based test solutions. So we have also developed some artificial intelligence-driven healthcare tools, which, government can incorporate in the Ayushman Bharat digital mission to have the real-time testing and diagnostic data of the population so that, necessary corrective healthcare measures can be taken. Next slide. Yeah. So the ultimate goal is, to take the essential diagnostics at every level, from the metro to tier 1, tier 2 cities, and right until the doorsteps at the villages. So that's what we will be working on. Next slide. Yeah, that's okay. As I said earlier, for tribal health also we have specific this thing, and SCV, HIV, and newborn screening is another area which also we are going to focus on. Next slide. Yeah. So, with all the tools and resources that we have developed over the years, we aim to touch 5 billion lives by 2025. And through this platform, I would like to mention that, we will take Made in India brand to each and every country across the world. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Rahul. Excellent work being done.